Hi, my name is Michelle, and I had a mirror here, just a mirror, but I needed something with storage in it, like a medicine cabinet. And I found this perfect one. I love the black, sleek look, and I love the easy installation. And it comes in different colors, matte black, brushed gold, and brushed silver, but I chose the black. And look at the storage. Let's take a look at some of the details of this nice medicine cabinet.
Everything comes with it to install, even a little level, stickers to hide the screws, easy installation that can be done in less than 10 minutes. As you can see, these hide those little holes. This is 12 by 16 in size. It's a beveled framed recessed medicine cabinet with a mirror. This medicine cabinet is made of anodized aluminum. It's lightweight, waterproof, and anti-rust. There are 2 adjustable shelves, strong and flexible hinges, and silent catches. This makes the cabinet more user-friendly.
Thanks for watching my review of this medicine cabinet. If you find yourself in need of one, I think this is a great option.